Here's a pair of the AirPods Pro 3. I'm going to show you how to pair connect this directly to an LG TV. This is the LG TV that has Web OS. So first thing is, let's go to the Bluetooth settings on an LG TV. So go to your settings. You can click on the gear icon on your remote if you have it, or just go to the home page, click on the home button on the remote, and then navigate to the gear icon. You can see right there. So let me select that. And now I'm going to select the gear icon again. It's already highlighted. Now give it 1 second. Okay, now I'm going to go down to sound. Okay, so we're going to go down to sound, and then we're going to OK that. Now we're going to go down to sound out. Currently the sound out is coming out of my TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of these. So let's select sound out. Scroll down to use wireless speaker right there. Let's select that. Bluetooth device, let's select that. Now you see that spinny thing right there? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So let's hurry up and put these in a pairing mode. Grab these earbuds, open the lid up, and you'll notice in pairing mode it's blinking white right here, okay? Mine's not blinking white. Mine has a solid green light. The reason is because I'm connected to my Samsung phone. So let me manually put this in a pairing mode, okay? Let me close the lid first. And then I'm going to open it, and I'm going to double tap that invisible button right there in the middle. Now it's blinking white. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot back over to the TV here. And it's still scanning there, but maybe I took too long. You know what? Let me just go ahead and go back. Oh, you know, I could do the search again, but it's okay. I'll just do Bluetooth device again. Okay, so now it's researching again. These are still in the pairing mode. Hey, what do you know? AirPods Pro. This is my first time connecting to this TV as well. AirPods Pro. Oh, I just heard a little chime on here. And voila, it says we're connected. We're ready to go. So there you go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these as well. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.